morning children. Today I start NCERT class 4th English unit 3 lesson number 3 Nasruddin's aim. Nasruddin's aim. First I'll read the lesson, just you see there. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Push! The arrow is sure to hit right on target." See in the picture, this man is called Nasruddin. His aim. What is his aim? See there, he was chatting with his friends. With his friends. Here in this picture you can see chatting. Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. Chatting means talk in a friendly way. Just he talked in a friendly way. And he said, "I began to boast, no one can match my skill in archery." This is called archery. Archery means bana. Can you see in the picture? This is called archery. Okay. He said, "I began to boast, no one can match my skill in archery." ಬಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನಂಗೆ ಗುರಿ ತಾಟೋರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. "I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Push! The arrow is sure to hit right on a target. If I make a target that not fail, that is sure, that is success," he said. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Can you understand? The arrows means bana. And his friends brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." His friend said, "Take these arrows and bow," and pointed towards a target, said his friends. After, see their next page. Can you go next page? Yes. See, this is the aim. This is here. He will be pointed. Okay. See here. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, struck it, aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. Here, see there, Nasruddin held the bow and in his hand, struck it and aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. Ooh, the arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. See there, this is called arrow. This is fell down. No, this is not a success. That will be fell down. See there, next, his friends started laughing. He's in the picture, you see, his friends see this and they are laughing when Nasruddin was failed. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoot an arrow." But Nasruddin said, "Hey, no, this is not my aim. This is Azad's aim. Just I showed you how Azad will shoot. Azad is shoot, and how is his aim. I showed you," said Nasruddin. Next, see there, saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Again he take one more arrow. Once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shoot the arrow. Again he take arrow and shoot again. See there, this time the arrow fell little further from where it had fallen before. Where again second time also he failed to reach the aim. His arrow fell down another place. Okay, can we go next page? See there, in the next page, but it certainly did not hit the target. And second time also he failed. He did not reach the goal, isn't it? He did not reach the aim. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. Again, there he said, his friend said, this is the reverse arrow aim, but what he said, just see there, of course not, argued Nasruddin. Even this aim was not mine, it was the chief god's aim. This is also not my aim. This is chief god's aim, not mine, he said. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on their list? His friends asked. Now somebody remarked. One of his friends said, well, now who's next on the list? When hearing this, Nasruddin, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin did not say a word, but he did not say any single word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. This time, third time, he will success. He was success to reach the goal. Okay, see there, when his friends laughing, he did not say anything. Take one more arrow and hit the goal, but this time he was success. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. Here in the picture you can see, no, the arrow reached the aim. Is okay. Can you see this? Yes. See here. Everybody stared at Nasruddin. This time his friends all stared at Nasruddin. Their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, did you see that? It was my aim. See here, amazement means a feeling of great surprise. Feeling of great surprise. Nasruddin feeling now reached the goal. No, that's why he was amazement. He feeling great and surprise or wonder. See there, one more word, triumphantly. See there. It means having achieved victory. When Nasruddin reached the target, he got victory, isn't it? It means practice make man perfect. Okay, can you understand, children? This lesson theme is practice make perfect. First time he tried, he failed. Second time also he failed. But third time he reached the goal, isn't it? Yes. Can you understand this lesson, children? See there, everybody stared at Nasruddin. There was a gap, amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said, he said, I have achieved victory, he said. Did you see that? It was my aim, Nasruddin said. Can you understand this lesson, children? Here in the down, see there, new words given. Chatting. Chatting means a talk in a friendly way. Archery. Shooting with a bow and an arrow. Archery means shooting with a bow and an arrow. String. String means a thread that can be twisted. In the picture, can you see? In the picture there is a thread, no? This is called string. Okay. Next, target. Target means the aim of an attack. Defending means to protect from danger. Defending means to protect from danger. Next one, amazement. Amazement means a feeling of great surprise or wonder. Okay. Triumphantly means having achieved victory. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay, just you read this lesson and learn. Okay. Relate new words and their meanings I will send in your WhatsApp. Okay, just you see and copy it. Okay, bye. Thank you.